this potential divider to a fixed value, and we have been applied the maximum inductive load. So I had already applied the total inductive load. So in this inductive load, when it was fully loaded, therefore the short circuit current is around 4.33 amperes of current is already flowing, and you have to write down the corresponding field current. Okay, so corresponding field current is 0.3, and then we have to write down the voltage and slowly remove the excitation to the rotor part and remove the load. Okay, so we have to remove the load. So whenever you remove the load, it comes to the original condition. So already we calculated OCC values and SCC values, and we have written the field current and short circuit current. Then you are going to find out the voltage regulation of this alternator. So this is like we have to do little bit with more patience, and we have to excite this prime mover with an constant speed with multiple loads. So after running it, we have to bring this prime mover to the initial condition. Okay, so now we are bringing this to the maximum resistance, and this also we are bringing to the initial. You can see here the motor runs very slowly. So now you can see here I am increasing the resistance in the armature, so it will run with the minimum speed, and we have to remove the supply. Automatically the prime mover excitation is removed. So this is how we need to excite the alternator with an DC shunt motor, and this alternator can also be replaced. So here it is like an electromagnet alternator. We are going to replace this electromagnet with an permanent magnet in the field winding, and we are going to find out the characteristics of this alternator. So in further experiment, we will try to replace this alternator with an permanent magnet synchronous motor, and we are going to find out the regulation of this alternator. So after finding the regulation, we can check how to use this alternator for EV applications while accelerating as well as while deaccelerating. If you feel that video is very useful, please subscribe and watch the content regularly. Thank you for watching.